Can you hear me?
Hello, Miss.
Yes, I just come back because it's automatically
Oh,
off. I don't know what's happened. Okay, we continue. Sampai mana kita tadi? Hello? Opinion, right?
opinion, Miss.
Okay, so do you have any question about this definition of opinion? Do you have any question? No? Okay, so if you don't have any question, let's move on to another to next slide. For example, if you find this sentence, young people think they will live forever and cannot be hurt. Is it an opinion or a fact?
Sorry, Miss. Where? Now,
We are in the 10th slide.
like,
Okay.
my connection is too bad, then I have fell down.
Oh, okay. Keep going. Okay. The first sentence: young people think they will live forever and cannot be hurt. How do you think this sentence belong?
Young people. Opinion.
Why?
Opinion.
Because
Because we have limited time. Everybody can be hurt and
cannot
live forever. Live forever.
cannot live forever like God, no, right?
Anytime we can. Yeah, there is God.
Every people will have a death, right? Cannot
Yes.
be live eternally. Tidak bisa hidup kekal, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
it's just an opinion.
An opinion.
Okay. How about the second sentence? Monash is the most wonderful tower in Asia.
It is. I think that is an opinion too, because have so many tower like 101.
Taipei 101, yeah. That's
and then
true.
Petronas in Malaysia.
Yeah.
Also is like very beautiful.
Every people have different ideas, different opinion about one object, right? So just take a clue. Please underline this word, wonderful. Jikalau kita menemukan kata-kata sifat, it could be an opinion. Okay? Please remember this. If you find an adjective or words, it could be an opinion. Okay? And please give me another examples, please. Mbak Ike. Do you have another examples?
Miss, saya izin sebentar mau bawa tidur nenek.
Okay. Or another friend can have Mbak Ike.
Miss, wait for a while. I'm
Okay.
still waiting. What did you say?
Okay, I give you a few minutes to think for the examples.
Okay. English major is very wonderful of like apa ya? English subject. Apa sih? Saya mau bilang tuh wait.
Yeah.
Ada example. Bakso is popular food from Indonesia. That is my
Okay.
opinion.
Popular food in Indonesia. Yeah.
From Indonesia, because I like bakso, but other people I don't know what who like it. Right?
Yeah, right.
I will say bakso is
popular food.
Food from Indonesia.
Okay, that's an opinion. How about the other? Mbak Anggun?
Maybe Indonesian food is the, the most delicious the word. We are Indonesian, so we like our food so much. We love our food so much. This is our opinion, but other country will say different.
Other country may claim that their food is the most delicious, right?
Most delicious, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
don't want be defeated by the other country. Okay, okay. Thank you for the examples, and please open our book on page 7.10. We try to test your understanding about this, about how to distinguish fact from opinions. Have you opened your book? 7.10. Okay? If you already open your book, please read for us.
Yang mana, Miss? Which one?
Exercise 4. Exercise 4. Oh, 7.11. I think the text is located.
The sexes anatomy of a difference itu ya, Miss.
Yes, that one. Sorry.
The sex anatomy of a difference signal hammer.
Yeah.
How much do we really know about the differences between the sexes? We separate natural biology from nurture social training and expectation. There are no definite conclusions. Science has come up with some fascinating new answers to this and other age-old question about la difference. Can a woman match or beat a man in any sport? If you are a woman and you want to challenge a man to a test of strength, your best bet will be either a contest to see who can. Wait, my grandma is going to her room. I have to. Sorry, miss.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I will help you. Okay, what? A contest to see who can do the most sit-ups, or leg wrestling, which works just like arm wrestling, except that you lie on your back, hook ankles, and try to pull the other person over, pound for pound. A woman can be as strong in the abdominal and leg muscles as a man, because her relatively larger pelvis has plenty of room for muscle attachments, and woman's pelvis also gives her more leverage in leg wrestling. Women's joints are more flexible and less tightly hinged than men's, so women get thrown about more in figure skating and ballet by men whose upper body strength is useful in lifting, holding, and throwing them. And in sports, where strength is not a factor, skydiving, parachuting, sharpshooting, men and women perform and compete equally. Olympic rival shooting has no separate categories for men and women. In fact, a woman, Margaret Murdoch, won the silver medal for rival shooting in 1976. If women have such strong legs, how come the fastest runners are still men? In endurance Events like running and long distance swimming, women actually do very well. Great weights beat 11,705 men in the 1982 New York City Marathon. Only 124 men managed to beat her. In long distance swimming, a woman's body fat becomes an advantage, providing both buoyancy and insulation against the cold. Women have traditionally done better than men in English Channel swimming, for instance. To serve his greater muscle mass, a man has a larger heart and lungs, more oxygen carrying hemoglobin in his blood, and a larger stroke volume. Muscles depend on oxygen to work. The more oxygen you can get to them, the more energy you have, and a man's cardiovascular system more than fills his oxygen needs. Training increases stroke volume and cuts down body fat. Great weights level in both, not to mention her pelvic width, are undoubtedly much closer to Rana Alberto Salazar's than to mine. Nevertheless, in 1982, Salazar beat weights in the marathon by 17 minutes 54 seconds. The oxygen factor is probably the greatest male advantage, but the difference between men's and women's time has been getting smaller, and some experts think that the best woman will one day equal the best man in events like marathons. Okay, we see the statements below. Number 1. Please identify which one fact and which one is opinion. Number 1. A woman won the silver medal for rifle shooting in 1976. Who can answer this? Hello? Hello, are you with me?
Please, I'm coming.
Okay. Number 1. A woman won the silver medal for rifle shooting in 1976.
Yes, it's a fact.
The fact? Why?
I found in here in the last of the sentence.
Yeah?
The third of paragraph.
Yeah?
Here's half of seven. Margaret Murdoch won the silver medal for rifle shooting in 1976.
1976. Yeah, right. Is the fact. It is stated in the text. Okay. And number 2. In endurance events such as running and long distance swimming, women do very well. Is it a fact? Let's see in the second sentence, in the second paragraph. In long distance swimming, a woman's body fat becomes an advantage, providing both buoyancy and insulation against cold. Is it a fact?
I can't find the statement.
Oh, please see the last sentence of 1, 2, 3, the third paragraph.
Oh, I see.
Women have traditionally done better than men in English Channel swimming, for instance. Does it mean women do very well, do better than men? Does it mean women do very well in swimming?
Women joins the more flexible and less. Itu ya, Miss?
Yeah, women have traditionally done better than men in English Channel swimming, for instance. Does it mean women do very well? Yes, right?
Yes.
Better than men. Women
Better than
have
men.
done better than men. So is the fact. Number 3. Men have a greater muscle mass and larger hearts and lungs than women. Which paragraph talks about this?
muscle.
Yeah, the fourth paragraphs. To serve his greater muscle mass. Please read after me.
Yes. Got it.
What is got it? What do you got?
I got the statement about this sentence. To serve his greater muscle mass, a man has a larger heart and lungs than woman. So, men have greater muscle mass
Paragraph
and
keberapa,
larger
Miss?
heart.
Fourth, keempat.
A second from the below.
Yes.
See
Yes, keempat.
the paragraph, yeah.
Oh, yes, that's
Right.
okay.
Right? Is
Yes, Miss.
is the fact or not?
Statement is the
Is the fact or not?
It's
fact.
It's
But
not.
it doesn't mention about the comparison
It is not a fact.
Muscle mass, the man has
between man and woman. Here.
They didn't mention
Yeah.
the woman. They're just only when the man have larger.
Just trying to describe the man anatomy. Not
oh, that's your opinion.
is just an opinion.
Opinion.
Right.
Opinion.
Okay. Number 3 is an opinion. How about number 4? The best woman runner will one day equal the best man runners in events such as the marathon. It's located in the last paragraph.
Some experts think that the best woman away. Opinion, Miss?
Is it?
Opinion, Miss.
Yeah, because just a prediction, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The expert's idea cannot be proved. Yeah, it's an opinion. So number 4 is an opinion. Number 5, males are more aggressive than females. Males are more aggressive than females.
This opinion.
Opinion, Miss.
So you think that females could be more aggressive than males? Yes. Yes, right. So
But sometimes female.
sometimes females. No, actually
aggressive.
mostly females, not sometimes. Mostly. Yes. So it's just
And what kind of thing?
depend on what kind of person think.
When
Okay.
we look
Depend
for
on
the beautiful things in the mall, of course, you will more aggressive than me.
You did it? You did it? Okay.
I normally go.
Normal girl? Okay, I see. Okay. Number 6.
So, opinion.
Yeah, number 5 is an opinion. Number 6.
So that's your opinion.
Yeah, only an opinion.
How about you?
I'm sorry, I have to disagree with Mbak Etik. Mbak Etik. I'm not that aggressive, you know.
Oh, when we hang out with our boyfriend, it should be.
But I don't have that experience. Okay. Okay. That's funny. And number 6.
Yeah, just funny only.
In parachuting and skydiving, men and women perform and compete equally. Is it a fact? Compete equally. Which paragraph is it?
Yeah.
This
Di
one is
paragraf kedua.
Second
kedua.
paragraph.
Second paragraph.
Paragraf kedua, kalimat kedua.
Ya, kalimat kedua.
Yes.
Yay.
Men and women perform and compete equally.
Yeah, it is stated
Yes.
in text. Okay, it's a fact.
So,
So number 7 is And number 6 is a fact. Okay? And number 7, many researchers now think that hormones program the brains.
The brain.
Now think that hormones program the brains. How do you think?
I have to read this statement, but where is this? Where is that?
Oh yeah, carefully. Just skimming. Can you see the word thing here?
Opinion, miss.
Thing
Yeah.
indicates an opinion,
Thing.
Thing indicate of opinion.
right? So it's not a fact, it's an opinion. Even we cannot find in the text. Okay, so it's an opinion. Number 8, continue. Women will live longer than men.
Not fake.
It's not a fact,
Opinion.
just an opinion, right?
Yes,
Because in real life, we also sometimes find that men can live longer than women, right?
Yeah.
So it's not a fact.
Who knows? Yes.
Number 9, young men usually commit violent crimes because they are stronger and more intelligent than women. Is that a fact?
Oh.
Fact.
Are you tell your experience? Do you have a story about this? You really act, how to say? So is that to say that? Have
Mbak Aji.
Aji langsung metu suaranya.
You know, because her experience.
Because she has experience, right?
Young men. Young men.
oh, who's that man? Okay, is it fact or not?
No.
No,
Not. Opinion.
just an opinion. Not all.
That's an opinion.
Not all young men do commit violent crimes, right? Just an opinion, okay? And number 10, men cannot take care of babies because of natural condition. Natural
An opinion.
Opinion, yes.
condition.
I think it's a
Nggak
fact.
begitu juga.
It's just an opinion, right?
You don't
Jadi
think
sering
Mbak
malam.
Aji, you know you have
Yes, opinion.
now your husband is
Yeah, my husband cannot take care of my baby. I think this is a fact.
So it's ambitious. Okay. So number
But
10
not
is
in this statement. That's your statement. That's called opinion.
it's just an opinion. We cannot agree with this statement. Okay. So we move on to the next point is the author's intention. So, yeah, in reading a passage, we have to analyze the author's purpose and author's attitude. What is the purpose the author write this text? Apa tujuan penulis menulis sebuah teks? Apakah itu untuk memberi informasi atau memprovokasi atau membagikan pengalaman? Yeah, something like that. And we by knowing the author's intention, we will have a critical thinking. We exercise our critical thinking when we read, such as when we read a statement. We have to use some conclusion in mind and giving reasons and opinion from the text. Okay, that's how we call critical thinking. Okay.
Critical thinking.
Okay.
Okay.
Jadi kita di sini belajar untuk berpikir kritis. Jadi kita saat membaca sebuah statement, jangan hanya asal lewat, tetapi harus kita analisis, kita baca dengan hati-hati apa maksud pengarang ini, apa maksud penulis ini menuliskan ini, right? So jadi kita tidak langsung percaya semua teks yang ditulis oleh penulis. Misalnya kalau penulisnya menyebarkan hoax, apakah kita langsung percaya?
Yes. Kan lagi trending tuh hoax.
Iya, lagi trending di media sosial. Dan kita sebagai pembaca harus pintar memfilter,
Menganalisis ya.
ya, menyaring mana informasi yang benar, mana informasi yang cuma bohong, yang cuma memprovokasi pikiran kita, pendapat kepercayaan kita, right? So we have to be careful about this. As a how to say, jadi kita sebagai calon sarjana, kita sudah dilatih untuk berpikir kritis. Itulah keunggulan kita menjadi sarjana, menjadi academician, right?
Yes.
So dari pelajaran yang kita ikuti di UT Taiwan ini, kita bisa belajar berpikir kritis. Disinilah kita belajar melatih diri. Okay? So please open your page, your book on page 7.19. 19. Have you found? Okay. 7.19. We try to learn how to.
Power gardening.
Yeah, the power
Gardening.
gardening. Text 1. Don't jump to text 2.
Text.
Little
Oh,
butter
next one.
with up.
Wow.
Little butter whips up a lot more flavor.
Yes. Okay, please read for us.
A little butter whips up a lot more flavor. Why is butter the basis of sensational desserts? Because it adds taste and lightness like nothing else. But the really sweet part is that it is an excellent source of vitamin A and has no more calories than margarine. What is this, Miss? What
A lot. Yeah.
a lot of differences butter mix, and you only need a little to whip up something sensational.
Okay, from this text, how can you find the author intention? What the intention of the author? The author tried
The
to.
author told to a reader about why a butter has sensational desserts. How's the butter
Has.
it taste and likeness like nothing else. The really sweet part, an excellent sort with vitamin A. And then the butter also has more calories than margarine.
So
Like that.
it's more.
Uh,
Yeah.
and then a lot of different butter mix, and you only need a little wipe up something sensational.
Yes. It's all the advantage of the butter, right? So the author here tried to promote the butter is
Butter.
the more
The
tasty,
more
the more
health
likeness,
sensational.
the more delicious. And the important point here, no more calories. So it's a
Will not
promotion.
make us fat.
Like it's like uh how to say iklan? Advertisement. Advertising, yeah.
Advertising.
Yeah. So try to promote the food,
The food.
the namely butter. Okay. And text 2. Power gardening is here for all fall. Please someone read for us.
Who wants to be reader?
Mbak Dewi, Mbak Zella, where are your voice?
Who wants? Let me read.
No, no one, nobody. It's
Text.
the chance for you to practice your pronunciation. Come on, before we call it a day.
Yes, miss. Text to me.
Yes, text 2. Power gardening is here for fall.
Power gardening is here for fall. Now there's one simple way to comfort those breaking autumn garden clean up job into enjoyably able breeds.
Keep going. Why are you laughing?
Enjoy.
Yeah, yeah, enjoyable breeze. Yeah, keep
That-
going.
That K is the first life Paramount electric power blower. All by itself, this blower is a dynamo at breezing away autumn leaves and all kinds of litter and debris. You will find it the first tool you reach for around your house, garden, workshop, or garage.
Garage.
Powerful yet conveniently lightweight, a power blower practically makes rakes and brooms obsolete and hardly their traditionally
Tedious.
tedious jobs in a fraction of the time formerly
Require.
required.
Keep going.
Whether cleaning lawn and work area or irregular surface like interlocking right driveway, wooden deck and
Inaccessible.
inaccessible
Accessible.
Areas.
In this news or purpose tool has no equal. But firstly, as your basic flower is, there one several accessories
Available.
available that can convert into a specialist tool for heavily particular jobs. For install a weather cleaner's
Extends.
Send the flower to 10 feet.
8 feet. 8 feet.
Feet. So you can blast out roof level rain, gather leaves and debris from the surface of the ground. For picking up
Mulching. For picking up, mulching, and bagging.
or picking up, mulching, and bagging in one walk-calling operation. The fake attachment in your easy answer is attached to the blower in seconds and neatly suck leaves and debris up into the room devouring canvas page. Say goodbye to bros and dusted as we clean up walls, edges, outdoor carpeting, garage, and workshop area.
Okay. What the author uh, want to state here? Want to promote the attention of the author. Apa yang mau disampaikan pengarang di dalam teks berikut, di dalam teks ini? Ya? Ya? You can explain by your words. What do you know? What the reason you found the authors made this text? Is talk about a blower machine to clean the garden, right? What the function of this machine is to
Easier the job.
huh?
Permudahkan pekerjaannya ya, Miss.
To easier our job in cleaning, right?
Cleaning, yes. This key is versatile Ramon electric power blower. By itself, this blower is a dynamo at raising away autumn leaves and all kind of litter and debris.
What is the intention by giving these words?
Itself, dinamonya bisa bekerja sendiri.
Yeah,
Yeah, by itself, yes.
have a more power than the other machine, right?
Yes. Then the powerful, yes, like a power blower, particularly mix rakes and brooms absolute and handles their traditional tedious job in the fraction of the time formerly required.
Okay. Please remember this. About the author intention is not only found in the text. We cannot just copy from the text, but try. What is the meaning? The hidden meaning behind the text. The hidden meaning. See, the author tried to influence our mind. If you have this machine, your garden will be so beautiful, will be so clean, will be so elegant, right?
Yes, then
That's the
power easy. So we'll say goodbye to the broom and dustpan.
yeah. So the intention is try to influence us how to clean, to make our garden feel look so beautiful, right? It's the intention that makes us feel attracted to buy this machine, right?
Yes.
They over not only the machine but the beautiful garden.
Beautiful garden.
Yes.
Then we also no need to use so much the thing anymore to clean our garden, so we can safely our money.
That's correct. Save our money. That's correct. Yeah, a good reason for that. Thank you for the be
I
critical.
mean, it is also can save time.
Save time. Yeah. What else?
How save the power, so we have a lot of time to rest. Ha ha ha.
Yes, that's correct. So don't forget to ask your boss buy this this
Buy this,
machine.
so tomorrow I will ask him to buy this.
I don't
Not a
know
good
garden here.
suggestion.
And then he will say, "Oh, so I don't need you anymore in here. Please,
Get out, right?
yes,
Kick
pick
out.
up your money and
Get out from
go away."
here. Yes. So funny. Okay. Let's continue for reading the text tree before we end this lesson, this lecture.
Yeah, Miss.
Yeah. Text tree.
What you can do for a given friend. My best friend husband called me from the hospital. As soon as I hear his voice, I know the words. They're lovely. 19 years old Valerie was going to die.
To die.
That's to die. It is bad. He said, sounding rough and angry. They turned her out. Must hope Molly's with her now. Oh, David, I whispered, searching for a word. There's one saying that such as moment, what praises could possibly be a match from the plain and awful fact. Known a man whose son was killed by a drunk driver had taught me that he sighed. I had people saying, I know how to feel or I share your pain. How could they know the misery as sharp as 1,000 filters of glass inside me? How could they say that? What could they say? I asked. He thought a minute, and I want them to say was I'm sorry. It was the only thing that meant anything to me. Remembering, I said, David, I'm so sorry. I'm so very sorry. And later at night, when I meet Molly at their front door and we grew into each other, I said, I'm so terribly sorry. After a while, I thought I have met fresh coffee. It is on the shelf. I will be back about 9 in the morning. That's something else I have learned not to ask what can I do, but to think of something that might become like fresh coffee, then do it. The best thing a friend did for me when my mother died, sighed a teacher, was to call and say I'm bringing dinner tomorrow night. If you don't need it, just put it in the freezer.
Yeah. What is the writer's purpose here? The writer's intention. The author's intention. How can you do for your friend when they feel sad? they feel a